Go get him, Jackie. You went the wrong way.
When I turned over, I didn't want to get him.
Oh.
So I went that way. Hey, Daddy.
What?
You should have pushed me first, and you should have get
Okay,
me.
here, give me your sled. I'll take it up for you. You just climb the hill.
Today's January 10th, 2010.
Have to push you. You have to push, and then you have to come get me, okay?
Okay.
Jackie's 3. Allie's 1. Third baby isn't born yet.
Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Okay, push me.
Let's
you
see some
ready?
slick moves.